Okay, so yeah, I managed to port this code to shader graph, just copy paste it, but that's not exactly what I want for the projectiles to look like. Right now it looks like some sort of like laser thingy. And why does it always go right? I think the direction is hard-coded. So it should be here. So speed is 5. Ah yeah, okay. Okay, so I can just, yeah, whatever. So let's just do this. Okay, now it should go left if you're standing on the left side. No? Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. Now I have to shift it a bit down so it matches the gun. Okay. Let me just adjust the shader for a second. So everything we've done, I just need to delete. Yeah, so just don't want this, I guess. So yeah, the alpha channel is what's important, and everything else could be multiplied by the color. So let's bring in a vec4 for color, and then out dot just multiply everything by color, but then out dot xyz should be white, or this could be dot a because it's white anyway. Okay, then we don't need this part. Okay, now I need to attach color to the color input. So what's the convention here? Should it be uppercase or lowercase? I always like uppercase or title case more. And since like out is title case, maybe I should just change everything. So anyway, Now that we're doing this, let's also add thickness, which is a float, and it's what was the value? Oh no, 0.02. Okay, go away. Maximize. Alright, so let's try this out. Let's say we want white and full alpha. Looks fine, but then again it looks too wobbly. So let's edit the code again. Okay, we need f as a float and a as another float. F is 5 and a is 0.05. This is gonna be a and this is going to be f. Okay. So if I change this to 1 or a 2, but then I need to shift it by whatever. Um, yeah, I mean, this is fine. So it should be a bit yellowish. Okay, so they need to be faster, and they're a little bit too long. Maybe half length is fine. and then speed should be doubled. But how's the collision detection? Is it continuous or is it discrete? Nope, it has to be continuous. Okay. And we need to shift it down. So shift it down by, I don't know, what's the size of this? If this is 1, is it 1? Of course it's not. Okay. Trial and error. So 0.1 and should be negative 0.1. Oh, it went up. It has to go down. But I think the amount was fine. 0.1 should look fine. Okay, 0.15. Oh no, that's not. Actually 15 looked better, but I wanted to add my 5 here. Okay. Happy little accidents. Did it even move? How about 0.2? Okay, 2.5. Perfect. Sold. But I want to try out something else as well. I'm not sure if it's gonna look nice, but let's give it a shot. So I need to bring in game controller. and then every time we spawn a projectile we do this. Oh, okay. Really? So tag is game controller? Oh yeah, maybe I have to restart the script. Okay. Oh, 1 is way too much. It should be 0.01. Another thing is this thing, the red one. Yeah. Okay. Because this was making the camera not able to move vertically. Okay. Okay, now the shake is way too small. Okay, shaking too much, too many times. Okay, this doesn't make any sense. Oh yeah, okay. So it's because I have to multiply only the x-axis. Oh. Yeah. Okay. So this had to be negative. Now we have to change it over here as well. Hmm. That's the longest variable name ever. It's a German variable name. So, so if not is player inside and then shoot cooldown timer equals 0. If shoot cooldown timer is less than or equal 0, then we are allowed to shoot. If shoot cooldown timer is more than 0, it gets reduced by delta time, and every time I shoot, it resets to shoot cooldown period. So if immediate shooting is on, it has to shoot twice on sight. But if it's yeah, it's working. And then if I turn this off, does not do anything. Okay. U means unarmed. It's and it's armed but not visibly. Oh, sorry, so that's walk. So this should be walk 0, walk 1, and then walk 2. Okay, and then this is U police 1, 2, 3, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I need to change the sound effect, obviously, because it's not a ray gun, but one thing I can do is just get rid of, excuse me, I need to get rid of this coroutine stuff. And instead do this. So there's an idle state, and then walking state, and then shooting state. Okay. Then we have states. So at first it's idle. Then we have to go to the shooting state. So if state is shooting, then we play animation. So there is no duration to the animation. And that's what will happen instead. So play animation. Maybe I should just rename this. Is it shooting? What's the name of the animation? Just want it to be the same so I can convert it to string and with it walk. So idle is idle, walk is walk, shoot is shoot. So state.shoot, and then play animation state.toScreen. How about that? Okay, it's not going back to idle. Why is it not going back to idle? Because I don't take it back to idle. Again, this has to be changed because states have to have time. For example, switching between like idle and seeking or walking, there needs to be a timer, but we just start small and then build up on top of that. Okay, now there needs to be a timer. Ugh. Why does it stop shooting? Yeah, because of this. Because of this thing. So this has to go inside of that. And then this outside. and this this acts as the timer that we wanted, so I don't have to make a new timer. A little bit better, but then there's okay. So we have two problems. What I can do is I can use this cooldown time as shooting state. So even if it's not shooting during the cooldown phase, it's I can do something else as well. So I can do shoot cooldown. This seems to be a nicer looking approach. Because when it's cooling down, it's not shooting, so it doesn't make sense for me to show the shooting animations when it's not shooting. Then I just delete all of these non-shooting frames from the shooting animation. Okay, and now so when it's shooting, it shows. Yeah, let's bring this back inside here and then do this here. Make sure we don't overwrite anything. Okay. Oh no. No, I did everything in run mode. Yikes. Yeah, this is what I wanted to do. Because we just run this for only one frame, almost, and we only have 2 frames, it just we can just randomize the animation. Or not. No, it actually shouldn't. So the best way is to just not rewind the animation. Okay, so the code is not correct, but as long as it looks good, we can keep it. The reason it's not correct is because so the animations are done in a way that it looks fine, but technically I have to alternate between these evenly. So it's reusing a random thing. I mean, statistically it's fine, but it doesn't always alternate correctly. So, and then it only shows it like once. So I need another cooldown timer probably on this animation. And I don't really like this like flashing part at the end. But yeah, it's fine. I wonder what happens if I do this. Okay, this is also cool. Good. Good, good. Hmm. I need more tea. Okay, now I want to work on the walking state. So what I want to do is for the character to just walk with a random duration and then switch between idle and walking. Maybe change direction randomly even if it doesn't have to. Um, so let's say it walks between 3 seconds and 7 seconds. And then it okay, let's just do it one by one. But one thing I have to do in shooting is shoot only if player Okay, so we want to have an option that lets the character shoot always, you know, regardless of whether it's seeing player or not. And then it affects this condition. So if it shoots, and then either always shoots or only inside, or yeah. Okay, so now it only shoots when the player is inside, which is like the previous behavior. However, if I disable this, yikes. There's also sound, but it's not being streamed. Too loud. But it kind of suggests that this thing isn't working. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, I had to turn this one off as well. Because if it's gonna be on a timer, we should keep the timer going. Okay, so now, yeah, and then, alright, so it was fine. But it doesn't have a screen shake, does it? Okay, yeah, it wasn't shaking because we were at the end of the camera boundaries. What if I take this guy and then move it upwards? Okay, this could make for like a very nice mechanics to like turn this on and then kill the guy, but why can't I turn it off though? Yeah, whatever, I don't want to distract myself with this. I was just having fun. But now let's work on walking. Okay, so if state is walking, and then if it's not, goes here. Okay, so between shooting and idle we can alternate, but we can't go from shooting directly to walking for now. First we go to idle. Okay, now if we are in idle, so we are in idle between 1 second or 1 second and 5 seconds. Between range.x and range.y will be assigned a random number. Yep. So if you're idle, we just do nothing, and the animation keeps playing here. And then, so if this is more than 0, goes down. And then now, so if state timer is below 0, then so if we are something like this, okay, always rolls back to idle. It's probably because of this. Spaghetti code in 3, 2, 1. Yep, so this has to be changed because now we have other states and this always sets it to shoot cooldown. But no, but only if we were shooting. So this is fine actually. This is also fine, doesn't even run. If it runs, we see the player shooting, the character shooting. So this should be fine. Yeah. Okay. So here could be the problem or not. Oh, it was working fine. I just had to, I just needed to restart the game. Okay, that's nice. Good. So every time we switch to idle, let's have like a probability of switching directions.